So this is my first video using the Insta-Ace 360 Pro. Really just testing to see the quality of the camera, how well the mic is working. Yeah, I'm a complete beginner rider, so I'm going to definitely be focusing a lot on the road. If you notice my shifts aren't good or whatever else, I'm brand new. So leave some tips in the comments if you have any. But I'm riding a 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Bought it a couple weeks ago. Literally only been on a handful of rides, less than 10. I'm riding to work this morning. It's a bit chilly. Not too bad, about 50 degrees. But it's going to be beautiful after work, so I'm willing to bear the weather for the afternoon ride. It's really honestly not that bad. Yeah, I'm hoping this angle is pretty decent. And I know I'm riding in fourth gear at 30 miles per hour. I know. Gotta work on rev matching and all that fun stuff. But it'll come. Yep, that was awful. It'll come with time. I hope I signaled. Can't remember. Yes, I did. Turn it off. Up the hill we go. Now I hope the wind isn't too bad, because I can definitely feel the wind through my helmet. I'm really hoping the microphone kind of blocks some of that wind noise out. This is the test. When we look back at the footage, we will see. Definitely getting a lot more comfortable on the bike. For people that say it's not a beginner bike, let me tell you, it definitely is, but there's a lot of space to grow into. I had never rode, whatever you want to call it, before I bought this bike. And look at me, we're cruising. We're gonna try to rev match here. Off the throttle, clutch in, shift down, blip. Yeah, no. We'll get it. Nobody. Check again. Here we go. I wonder if you can pick up that engine specifically in first gear going up to into second. Curious to see how that sounds. Or if you can't hear anything, maybe the mic's not even working. That'd be fun. But yeah, I'm open to suggestions, comments, don't even know if anyone's gonna watch this video, but if I title it brand new bike, not that I'm fishing for views, but it'd be cool to get a couple. I don't even know what I'm saying, to be honest with you. I've never recorded a video like this in my life. I don't even know what accent this is. Just a lot of rambling going on. Just a lot of rambling going on. I know you're not supposed to downshift through all the gears, but we just did until we learn how to rev match and shift properly. Honestly, a lot of wind noise coming through this helmet, so we're gonna see how well this microphone blocks it out. Oh yeah, I'm using a Moto microphone. Honestly, don't know or can't remember the name of the microphone, but I can put it in the comments if it sounds good. I'll definitely let you guys know what it is. Don't want to recommend a product that is less than ideal. Hopefully the angle looks nice. Oh, what's on the road? That is a squirrel. So I guess I'll tell you how this bike came to be mine. So a couple weeks ago I decided, you know, I want to go get my motorcycle permit. My cousin rides, which he also has a camera and is ordering a mic for, so you might see him in future videos. But my cousin rides, my friend rides, a couple of my friends ride actually. So they were all a great influence, good or bad, whatever you want to call it, for me to get a bike myself. So it all came together really fast. I got my permit one week. But very next weekend I took my safety course here in Pennsylvania. They're free, which is amazing. 2-day course. Went through all the drills, passed the graded portion, the skills test. Got my permit stamped, and I had already bought my bike that Friday, the week after I got my permit. So permit was Friday. Don't remember specific dates. Permit was Friday. The next Friday after that I bought my bike, and then that very weekend took my safety course, passed. Here we are. It's been a couple weeks now and I'm loving it. Definitely loving it. Definitely have to get used to the weight of this helmet now that I have a camera on it. It's a lot heavier. Oh, here's a motorcycle. See if we get the 2 fingers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a lit helmet. Why did I say lit? I never say that. My helmet was freaking sick. It was like one of those Terminator helmets. Here we go. Smooth turn. Let's hear if we can accelerate. Let's hear this engine. Don't want to go too fast down this strip because there's a little hill. Cops like to sit up on the top right side of it. Man, motorcycle riding is so fun. I never thought I'd be here right now. This is honestly insane. Never get too comfortable though. Always stay vigilant. Scan the road. Follow the speed limits. Wink, wink. just be safe out there. I know everyone says it, but just be safe. My helmet chin strap is honestly killing my neck right now. Oh, let's get in the road. Fix this up a little bit. That's a little better. I gotta keep reminding myself to not have such a death grip on the throttle hand. Clutch hand's good, we're nice and loose over there, but throttle hand, ooh, I'll be squeezing that throttle. Just loosen it up. Also because it's pretty cold with this wind, honestly. I think that's why I give a little extra squeeze. Alright. Clutch in, shift down, blip. That was better. That was way better. Way better. Let's try it again. Clutch in, shift down, blip. No, 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 no. Alright. Yeah, go ahead and roast me for these. I know the bike hates me. I know it does. But it's gonna learn to love me over time. Nobody. 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 Here we go. Those are my little mental checkpoints whenever I look both ways. Oh no, I've always done it. Just look left, right, left. Nobody, nobody, nobody. Off you go. And honestly, this bike is super comfortable. I'm 6'2", about 175 pounds, and I have no issues with comfortability. I love it. Clutch in, shift down, blip. No, fuck. What am I doing wrong, guys? I mean, I know what I'm doing wrong, but I gotta time it better. The timing is off. Alright, stop sign. Ah, shit, I stalled. It is okay to stall. Definitely okay. Especially as a beginner rider, you will definitely stall. That was actually the first time I stalled on the way to work. Taking a couple trips to work now. Just get a little nervous at those intersections. Let the clutch out a little too fast, forget to give it enough gas, you know. Just stay calm. Get back up and running. Even experienced riders stall every now and again. I'm going under the speed limit. Let's pick it up a little bit. There we go. Hopefully y'all can hear me. This will definitely be a good test for this microphone because this helmet is breezy. Stay bus, stay bus, stay bus. Thank you. Nope. We'll get better at it. Go nice and slow around here because this is a tight little section we got here. Anybody? Nope. Good. My greatest fear is that they're going to around that bend there. They're just going to pop out and boom. All right, it's 25 through here, so. Well guys, we're almost to work. So, again, just trying to see how this camera looks. First time recording on a bike. I'm a beginner, motorcyclist, learning the ways of the road and how to ride and just become a better rider over time. Any tips, suggestions, comments, leave them down below. If you're watching this, or you don't have to. Don't really care either way. And that's it. Peace.